Hello and welcome to Birds of Sri Lanka with Mihela. Today I'm going to tell you about a migrant bird. The wedge-tailed shearwater. The wedge-tailed shearwater is a medium-large shearwater in the seabird family Prosidae. It ranges throughout the tropical Pacific and Indian Oceans, roughly between latitudes 35 north and 35 south. It breeds on islands of Japan, Hawaiian Islands, Seychelles, the Northern Mariana Islands, and of Eastern and Western Australia. Their plumage is variable. Most birds are grey-brown above and whitish below. Others are dark brown overall. I have been to many coastal areas, but I have not seen wedge-tailed shearwaters before. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for my next video.